Hello everyone! Today I am going to draw a picture of yummy ice creams. Please try to draw in color with me. Let's draw a star. Wow, our ice cream is looking beautiful. Now I am drawing a cone ice cream. Have you ever drawn the picture of ice creams? It is very easy ice cream drawing. Wow! Please try to draw with me. Let's draw another ice cream together. Do you like eating ice creams? I love ice creams very much. Now I am trying a heart. Let's add some more detailings in it. It's time to color it. Hurry up! Let's color and have some fun. Orange color. Green color. Blue color. Yellow color. Red color. Pink color. Brown color. Red color. Orange color. Purple color. Green color. Pink color. Blue color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Wow, it's looking beautiful. See you on the next video.